Okay,
this.
go.
Look at the little
I'm
kid.
scared it's gonna hit me.
My boys love giving me hugs.
Happy New Year's.
You know what's so funny? Both of my kids can dance too, and I don't know where they got it from. That was really good stuff right
Here,
there.
I'm recording. You could say Happy New Year's too.
Happy New Year. All I want for New Year's. Juice. Say Happy New Year.
Good buddy.
Kitty
Congratulations, Jimmy.
Say Happy New Year, Ashley.
Put him at the door. The closing ceremony.
Hey, your butt's in the way.
These cats are like my shadows. They really are. Everywhere I go. He was in there on the nest. I came over here and he's like, I want to be with my grandma.
We're in the first drink of
Oh, I
2013.
love this song. This song is awesome.
That
Where's
one's
the
mine.
volume? Good choice to change it, Brian. He's married to Gwyneth Paltrow, right?
Probably.
Yeah. Pretty sure it's him. This is a great song.
Cheers. You want a trade?